we're going to take a 2-inch cut, which should hit my log dogs over there. As you can see, it stopped. I'll show you what we got going on here. So what I did here, I added a micro switch, and this goes to the engine shutoff. Got a ground there and the engine shutoff. So when this travels 4 inches before it hits that post, and it shuts the motor off. That's set approximately an 1/8 inch below the blade. So it's worked pretty darn good. If you have any questions, I'll be glad to answer for you.